Car clay bars remove embedded contaminants, restore smooth paint, enhance shine, and prepare surfaces for waxing or ceramic coating protection. My today's video is about top 5 best car clay bars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Stemni Heavy Duty Car Clay Bars. The Stemni Clay Bar and Lubber Synthetic Lubricant Kit is a complete car detailing solution designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. It includes 4 high-quality 100G clay bars, 10 effervescent lubricant tablets, making up to 10 by 16 ounce clay luber, a spray bottle, and a microfiber cleaning towel, offering excellent value in one package. The clay bars are made from ultrafine premium materials that glide smoothly across the paint surface, effectively lifting contaminants without scratching. After use, the vehicle's paint feels noticeably smoother, restoring a glossy, glass-like finish. It's especially useful for preparing surfaces before waxing or polishing. This kit performs impressively in removing stubborn impurities such as oxidation, brake dust, tree sap, acid rain residue, and industrial fallout. It can be safely used on various surfaces including paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, and even carbon fiber, making it highly versatile. The included clay lubricant system is a standout feature. Simply dissolve 1 tablet in water, and it creates a slick solution that reduces friction and extends clay bar life. Overall, this kit is a practical, cost-effective, and user-friendly choice for achieving professional-level car detailing results at home. Now our second product is Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Car Clay Bar. The Complete Clay Kit, CLY_KIT_1, is a reliable all-in-one detailing solution designed to restore a smooth, clean, and polished vehicle surface. It includes a heavy-duty black clay bar and a 16 ounces synthetic lubricant spray, providing everything needed for safe and effective paint decontamination. This clay bar works efficiently to lift embedded contaminants that regular washing cannot remove, such as brake dust, tree sap, industrial fallout, overspray, and other bonded particles. The result is a noticeably cleaner and smoother finish that improves the overall appearance of the vehicle. By thoroughly cleaning the paint surface, this kit helps prepare the car for wax, sealants, or ceramic coatings, ensuring better bonding and longer-lasting protection and shine. It is safe to use on paint, glass, clear coat, polished metal, and plastic surfaces when proper lubrication is applied, reducing the risk of scratches. Ideal for both enthusiasts and professional detailers, the kit delivers showroom-quality results by eliminating rough textures and restoring paint clarity. With its simple 2-piece system, it offers convenience and strong performance in one package for effective decontamination and detailing. Our third product is Wontolf Car Clay Bar. The Wontolf Clay Bar and Lubber Synthetic Lubricant Kit is a complete all-in-one solution for car detailing enthusiasts who want a smooth, professional finish at home. The kit includes 4 clay bars, 100G each, 10 effervescent lubricant tablets, a spray bottle, and a microfiber towel, making it a convenient and value-packed set for both beginners and experienced users. The clay bars are made from premium ultrafine materials that glide effortlessly over the paint surface, delivering a noticeably smoother and softer finish without scratching. It works especially well as a prep step before waxing or polishing, helping restore a glass-like shine to the vehicle's exterior. This kit excels at removing stubborn contaminants such as oxidation, iron powder, acid rain residue, tree sap, and industrial fallout. It is versatile enough for use on paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, and other surfaces, making it highly practical for full vehicle detailing. The included lubricant system is simple and effective. Just dissolve a tablet in water to create a slick solution that reduces friction and protects the surface. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly kit that delivers excellent cleaning performance and long-lasting results. Now number 4, Dokiko Premium Magic Car Clay Bars. The Dokiko Clay Bar Kit delivers strong cleaning performance and is designed for users who want a smooth, professional-grade finish without damaging their vehicle's paint. Made from premium ultrafine fiber and refined clay material, it effectively lifts stubborn contaminants such as oxidation, iron powder, acid rain residue, tree sap, and scale buildup. The result is a noticeably cleaner, softer, and smoother paint surface with no scratches when used correctly. Each package includes a generous 320G clay stick along with 10 lubricant tablets, offering excellent value and long-term usability. The lubricant ensures safe application by reducing friction and allowing the clay to glide smoothly over the surface. The kit is simple to use, just wet the surface with water or lubricant, then gently rub and stretch the clay for maximum coverage. This makes the detailing process efficient and beginner-friendly while still delivering professional results. It is highly versatile and can be used on paint, glass, wheels, mirrors, bumpers, headlights, and polished metal surfaces. Overall, it's a practical and effective detailing kit that helps maintain a flawless, showroom-quality finish. And our last choice is Westhorse Complete Car Clay Bar. The Westhorse Complete Clay Bar Kit is a professional-grade detailing solution designed for deep cleaning and paint restoration. It includes 4 clay bars, 400 G total, a 500 ml concentrated clay lubricant that can be diluted up to 5 bottles, and 4 high-quality microfiber towels, making it a complete and cost-effective car care package. This kit is highly effective at removing stubborn contaminants such as industrial fallout, brake dust, tar, tree sap, overspray, and pollution buildup. It restores a smooth, silky finish that significantly improves the surface before waxing, sealing, or coating, enhancing overall shine and protection. The super concentrated lubricant provides excellent slickness, reducing friction and preventing scratches or marring during use. It works well with any clay bar system and ensures safe application on paintwork. Suitable for medium to heavy contamination, this kit can be used on paint, glass, wheels, metal, and plastic surfaces, offering full vehicle decontamination. With simple step-by-step use and professional results, the Westhorse kit is an excellent choice for achieving a showroom quality finish at home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.